Rani Ki Bhav or Queen Stepwell is an intricately constructed stepwell situated in the town of Patan in Gujarat, India. रानी की भाव जो पाटन में स्थित है, वहां पहुंचने के लिए आप हवाई मार्ग, ट्रेन और बाय रोड आ सकते हैं। द नियरेस्ट एयरपोर्ट इज सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, अहमदाबाद। बाय ट्रेन आप पाटन रेलवे स्टेशन उतरकर यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं। एंड बाय रोड इट्स वेल कनेक्टेड टू ऑल मेजर सिटीज। It is one of the most exceptional and elaborate stepwells in the country, known for its unique architectural style and historical significance. So let's explore and know about its historical background first. Rani Ki Bhav was constructed in 11th century during the rule of Chalukya Solanki dynasty. It was commissioned by Udaymati, the queen of King Bhima, in the memory of her husband. This makes it not just an architectural marvel, but also a monument of love and devotion. This stepwell is a prime example of the Maru Gurjara architectural style, characterized by its detailed ornamentation and intricate carvings. It measures approximately 64 meters long, 20 meters wide, and 27 meters deep. It is designed as an inverted temple, highlighting the sanctity of water. The stepwell descends through 7 layers of stairs, each adorned with sculptural panels. The walls and pillars of Rani Ki Bhav was embellished with over 500 principal sculptures and more than 1,000 minor ones, depicting Hindu deities, apsaras, and mythological scenes. Many sculptures are dedicated to Lord Vishnu in various forms such as Kalki, Rama, and Krishna avatar. The carvings are noted for their precision and attention to detail, showcasing the artisan's high level of craftsmanship and intense exquisite details. Beyond its aesthetic and spiritual significance, Rani Ki Bhav served as a crucial source of water. Stepwells like these were critical for water storage and management in the arid region of Gujarat. रानी की भाव में आपको आकर कुछ अलग ही अनुभूति होगा। 11वीं शताब्दी के इस अजूबे में कुछ पॉपुलर कर्विंग्स दिखेंगे जो उस जमाने की स्त्री श्रृंगार जैसे कि मिरर्स, लिपस्टिक्स, ज्वेलरी,
फुटवेयर्स भी दर्शाते हैं। कुछ मूर्तियों पे मोबाइल फ़ोन, वायरलेस माइक भी दिखने को मिलते हैं, जो हमें सोचने को मजबूर कर देते हैं इतनी साल पहले भारत में ये टेक्नोलॉजी एग्जिस्ट करते थे।
The step will demonstrate advanced engineering skills with its complex structure ensuring the stability of walls and efficient management of water levels. Over time, the step well was partially buried due to the flood caused by the nearby Saraswati River, leading to its neglect and gradual obfuscation under slits and debris. It was rediscovered in the late 1980s by the Archaeological Survey of India, which undertook extensive restoration efforts to preserve this historical site. Rani Ki Vav stands as a testament to the rich culture and architectural heritage of India. It reflects the artistic achievement of the Solanki dynasty and the broader Indian civilization.
यहाँ आपको मनमोहक कलाकृतियाँ दिखेंगे, जहाँ अप्सरा मदनिका विष्णु जी की 10 अवतार जैसे वराह, नरसिम्हा, वामना, कल्की, बुद्धा, रामा, कृष्णा दिखेंगे। महादेव जी के नटराज और अर्धनारीश्वर अवतार के साथ ब्रह्मा, गणेश, दुर्गा, लक्ष्मी, यक्ष, यक्षिणी, विषकन्या और जानवरों की कलाकृतियाँ भी दिखेंगे।
In 2014, Rani Ki Vav was recognized as a UNESCO Heritage Site, emphasizing its global cultural significance and ensuring its preservation for future generations. Today, it is a prominent tourist destination, attracting visitors around from the world who came to admire its architectural beauty and historical importance. The step well is often studied by historians, archaeologists, and the student of architecture of its unique design and historical context. The intricate designs and structural brilliance of Rani Ki Vav continue to inspire contemporary architects and artists. It serves as a source of inspiration for modern day water management practices and sustainable architecture. Rani Ki Vav is not only a masterpiece of ancient Indian architecture, but also a symbol of engineering and artistic richness of its time.
Patan is famous for patola design costumes, which actually origins from this vow. Designs are curved here in the walls here and there. In some carvings, they showcase how someone get punished and sentenced death by elephant if they cut down trees to harm the mother nature.
By featuring Rani Ki Vav on 100 rupees note, India not only pays homage to its rich historical and architectural heritage, but also brings attention to the remarkable craftsmanship of ancient artisans who created these stunning monuments. It continues to be celebrated as an essential part of Indian historical and cultural narrative.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं आपसे अगले एपिसोड में।